0 plus 1 2 like that.
Oh, okay. So you're quite lucky because you are able to experience different weather conditions from extreme cold to extreme heat, warm conditions.
Yeah, actually this north side of Afghanistan is like that. In the summer time it will become extreme hot, and in the winter it will be extreme cold.
Okay. The place where I'm staying is neither too hot nor too cold. Means I'm staying towards the western
Where
part of India.
where do you live actually, Limitless?
So I stay in Goa. So it is a very small state in India.
Goa. You're lucky. It is a very beautiful place.
Yeah. So the weather condition is quite pleasant over here. So during the summer time, it reaches around 36 degrees. And in winter, the temperature goes to only 17 or 16 degrees. So we don't get extreme cold also. And it is not too
Yeah,
hot also.
it's a very perfect, what should I say, perfect
Yeah, it's a
weather.
pleasant weather.
Yeah, it is normal, yeah, all the time.
Yeah, but you're lucky because you're able to experience cold climate also. So we are not able to experience that.
Okay, so how about Goa? I think every year there were come a lot of tourists, to
Yeah,
Goa from different countries.
yeah, that's true. Means Goa is very famous as a tourist destination. So many people from Europe, especially Russia, from other European countries like UK, they tend to visit Goa during the month of November, December, and January because the climate is really good at that time in Goa.
Good. And what do you do actually, Limitless, over there in Goa?
Yeah, so I'm working as a computer engineer. So I have done my BTech in computer science.
Okay, so if you want to be a tour guide, is it possible over there? Because I think it will be very good job. If I were instead of you, I would do that.
No, but in Indian society, if you become a tour guide, you don't get that much respect. So you have to be well educated. Then only you get respect in our society. Means that's pretty common in Asian countries, I think. Even in Afghanistan, I think that must be the case. So if you're not well
Yeah.
educated, people don't respect you.
Yeah. No, I think it is very good culture, I think, because in Afghanistan it is not like that. In Afghanistan there is not all the people is educated, and because of that it's not very common. But it should be actually, because in that way we will have a educated society.
Yeah, that's true. But there are also many drawbacks or there are many limitations also to that mindset because not everyone, because see, in Indian society every parent forces their child to be either an engineer or a doctor. So that is a very wrong mindset to have.
Yeah, it is actually in a society we don't need only doctors and engineers. We need different types of people. So everyone have a different skill and interest to different things. But we shouldn't force someone to be something.
Yeah, that's true. But unfortunately, that is the situation over here.
Did you see the? Yeah, of course you see. As you saw that Three Idiot movie.
Yeah, of course. It is one of my favorite Bollywood movies.
Yeah, it is actually true on a true story, yeah?
Yeah, means that actually highlighted the point which I was discussing, isn't it? Means that is the thing which goes on in our society, and that movie was highlighting the same topic.
Yeah, of course. And also here in Afghanistan, also parents just force their children to be a doctor because in our society doctors are very what should I say, earn good money and they will be rich, and because of that everyone want to force their children to be a doctor.
Yeah, that's correct. So you told me that you are planning to go go to Turkey, right? So after completing your education, will you come back to Afghanistan, or you are going to settle down in Turkey itself?
Uh, it will depend on situation in Afghanistan. I don't know, and if the situation will be like this, and this situation, I won't come, and I will try to stay over there, or I will go to other countries. And if condition will change, of course, I will come back.
Okay, means is the current regime better in Afghanistan, or the previous regime was better? So now I think Taliban is running the country. So is the situation better now in Afghanistan, or previously it was better?
Yeah, it had both of them had advantages and disadvantages. In the previous government, there was a lot of corruptions. There were a lot of there wasn't any security in Afghanistan. After evening, we couldn't go from one city to other cities. But and nowadays we can go at midnight from my city to Kabul to other countries. There is no one ask you where you are going, and there is not any what should I say worry about security.
So people of
But
Afghanistan feel safe in the current regime. So that is a good thing. So I think the situation is improving, right?
yeah, situation is improving, but there is about education, there is a little bit problem, that especially with girls. If that will solve, we will this government is I think perfect.
Oh, okay. So means you told me there is a problem for education for a girl child. So are they restricting? Means they are putting
Yeah,
a.
they are restricted, and after 6 years, sixth grade, girls can't go and continue to their education.
Oh, is it? Oh, so that is a very bad decision which has been taken by the government. That is my opinion.
Yeah, it is actually the people of Afghanistan is also not happy about this, and also especially girls and parents and families are thinking about this. Like for example, my sister was in say, second grade of university. After Taliban came and they banned university, she can continue their education, her education.
Oh, okay. So I think that mindset has to change. If that mindset change, then I think it should be fine. Because I think it
Yeah,
is sort of a discrimination, right? Means if you don't allow a particular gender to study, because
yeah,
education is the most important thing for a society to develop.
yeah. It is very important. Actually, they know, but I think it is a political thing. It is not related for religion or culture. It is a political decision, and I don't
Okay,
know
okay,
why they do this.
okay. So you told me that you are staying in the northern part of Afghanistan, right? So is it a
Yeah.
big city like Kabul, or how is it a small
My
city? I don't know.
my city my city is not as much big as Kabul, but there is near to my city Mazar Sharif. I don't know you heard its name or not, but
It's a religious. It is a religious place, right?
where Mazar Sharif? You mean?
Yes, yes.
No, it's a city. It's a province. No, it is
Oh, okay,
because of
okay,
its name. You say maybe there is what should I say? Grave of Hazrat Ali. Because of
okay,
that, we say Madar Sharif.
okay, okay. Means I thought it was a religious place. That's why I thought I might know it.
Yeah, there is a religious place that what should I say? I told you, Hazrat Ali's grave is over there. People say it like that.
Okay, okay,
Blue
got it.
mask. You can
So
you can
it's
search on Google or on YouTube.
okay. So I'll surely search it on Google. So do many tourists also visit your place?
Yeah, and not my city. My city don't have, I think, tourist places, and but Mazar Sharif has that places. Many tourists come from different countries. If you search on YouTube, and from European countries and also from other countries come, even Indians come to these cities, and they come here and to Kabul, to Herat, to Bamiyan, to other cities. These are the provinces or cities that most tourists come.
Okay. So I wanted to ask you one thing also. Means whenever I have spoken with people from Afghanistan, they speak very fluently in English. So is the education system in Afghanistan in English? Means that is the reason why you all speak fluent English?
No, we have only one subject in English subject in school, but people have interest